Hello and welcome back to Mangley Town for the second part of my shopping haul. Show you some more of what I've been collecting over the last year. Firstly, we have a Hornby R2299, which is the Great Western in the Barbie livery for the Class 43. One of the ones which I still need to get converted to DCC. You'll see in one of the next videos I've got just about every major Class 43 livery that Hornby has done, and I'll be doing separate videos on those as well for the collection of all the carriages that I've got. And as in the first part, I've got the other set that Lima did, which is 149808, so I could get those other three coaches. And we have another Hornby Class 43 in the first Great Western blue, which is R3478. And about the only thing that I was missing in the Hornby liveries is basically the proper executive livery. So it's got the blue and yellow front and then the swallow back. But it's very hard to get hold of and very expensive in the Hornby. But I saw this at one of the exhibitions I went to. You can see those on the channel as well. So that's brought me up to speed on the last livery that I wanted in the Class 43s. Also, I have a Class 66 in the EWS livery, and that is R3487. I'll do a separate video on all my freight stock, but I want to grab that before they went out of the shops and I was having to hunt around on eBay for it, because one of the rakes I want is going to be all the EWS coaches. So back on to more the coaching rolling stock. So we have a Bachmann 39031, so that's a Mark 1 SK corridor in Network Southeast. And we have R4278, which is a Virgin Mark 3 trailer guard section. And R4227B, which is another Mark 3 in the One Anglia. I think I have got all of the One Anglia ones now, so I can show you that in a separate Meet the Fleet. We have a Lima 305640, which is another ResGov, and obviously that was in the wrong box, but it's another Lima Network Southeast coach. And in Network Southeast again, we've got Bachmann 39382, a Mark 2A BSO. Onto some of the older Hornby bits as well. We've got R4077, which is a GNER Mark 3. So unfortunately that's one of the older, shorter ones. But I have needed to collect every single different one that I can get in some of the liveries just to make up a decent rake on the Class 43s. And then we have R439, a Mark 2A in a really old Hornby NSE livery. And his little partner, R444, a Mark 2 brake coach as well in Network Southeast. And then back onto the intercity stock, we have R4639A, which is Midland Mainline Mark 3 standard open. And R4370G, Mark 3 Tourist Open in the first Great Western Night Riviera. We have a Bachmann 39175X, Mark 1 generator van, another exclusive from Bachmann. And a Hornby R4632A, a Mark 3 standard open in executive. And then again one of the Bachmann packs. It's 39000S, which is the Mark II Engineers Support Coaches, which goes nicely with the other twin pack which I'd shown you in my first video. And then we have another old Hornby, R4136A, which again is one of the old Anglia Railways, and R4153A, which is Mark IIA in the Network Southeast, and another Network Southeast in the Lima, 305387. It's a shame that some of the colours on these don't match, because obviously Lima would use different colours to Hornby, but as I'd have several different rakes of coaches, I'd try and match the same colour schemes with each other. And we've got R4098D, which is a Virgin trailer, a buffet car on that one, and then a nice newer one, R4751, which is the Virgin Mark III TSO. This is one I saw in shop I regularly go in, which is Kent Garden Rail. It's 39075K, and it's a BR Mark 1 BSK Intercity Exhibitions. So quite an odd coach, doesn't really match with anything that I've got, but I did like the look of that one, so I had to have that one on. And we have another Virgin Mark III TGS, which is 4750, to help make up that rake. And R4070D, First Great Western Mark III Open Tourist. Back to Lima for a 305386, another Network Southeast coach as well. And a Hornby R4326, which is the First Great Western Fag Packet TGS coach. That's another one where I can do a meet the fleet soon for you, because I've got all of the ones that I know were produced on those, and I've got a loco to go with it as well. And we've got R4153, a Mark IIA second class open in Network Southeast. And another exclusive twin pack from Bachmann, 39001X, which is the Network Southeast EMU translator vehicles. Nice crisp livery on these as well. And then a Bachmann 39200C, a Mark 1 Super Brake in RES. I think that's about the only one I've seen that Bachmann have actually weathered. Again, it does look quite nice being weathered, but then it doesn't quite fit in with all of the rest of the rake of the pristine looking ones. And a 39176Z, an odd signal box one, Network Southeast, and that's XBG full brake. And Bachmann 34325Y, that's a 50-foot parcel van in Engineers Yellow, which still looks absolutely fine with my Network Rail collection. And R4639C, a Midland Mainline Mark III standard open coach. And 39330Z, it's a Mark II XFK coach, and that is test car 6 in the RTC. I'll have to do the meet the fleet on that one soon, as in the first video I'd found the last twin pack I was looking for, so that's all complete now. Just waiting for one more loco to come in for that. a Bachmann Class 24, because the couple of locos I've got already from Hornby don't really match the red and the blue livery, whereas the Bachmann one does. And this one is 4227A, which is another one Anglia. And we have another couple of loose ones. We've got a loose Res Gov. I believe that was a Lima one. And the only way I could find the GNER restaurant one was unboxed, and I'm pretty sure that's the one which I had to even get from Australia. And we have one last First Great Western fag packet, which is one where it didn't actually have the insert to confirm the number, but I know that was one of the ones I needed. That's all for this one. Hope you've enjoyed seeing a bit more of my collection, and there's possibly another couple to come, so don't forget to subscribe and hit those notifications for when you know that I've uploaded another video. Thank you, and see you soon.